Ever felt like you were standing at the door of the digital gold vault, keys in hand, but couldn't quite figure out which lock to put them in? You've got your Kraken account, you're ready to receive some crypto, but where exactly do you find that elusive wallet address? It's a question that trips up even seasoned crypto enthusiasts, and honestly, if you're asking it, you're in good company. Because, let's face it, the world of blockchain can sometimes feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, right? We've all been there, staring at the screen, clicking through menus, wondering if we're about to accidentally send our precious digital assets into the abyss. It's like trying to find your apartment number in a skyscraper with no elevator, and every floor looks the same. The anxiety is real. You've heard about people losing their funds because of a single wrong character in an address, and that's enough to make anyone's palms sweat. But here's the thing, getting your wallet address on Kraken isn't some secret, arcane ritual. It's a straightforward process, once you know where to look. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be finding your addresses like a seasoned pro. Now, why is this so important? Well, think of your wallet address as your digital bank account number. It's the unique identifier that allows others to send you cryptocurrency. Without it, you're essentially invisible in the blockchain world. You can't receive payments, you can't participate in certain transactions, and you definitely can't unlock the potential of your Kraken account. And let's be honest, Kraken is a powerhouse. It's a trusted exchange, known for its security and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a trader, an investor, or just someone dipping their toes into the digital asset pool, Kraken is a platform you'll likely encounter. And understanding how to navigate it, especially how to find your wallet address, is crucial. Imagine this, you've just sold some digital art, or you're receiving a payment for freelance work in Bitcoin. You need to give the sender your address. You don't want to fumble around, looking unprofessional, or worse, losing the transaction altogether. You want to be smooth, efficient, and confident. That's what we're aiming for today. So, let's get down to business. First things first, you'll need to log into your Kraken account. I'm assuming you've already completed the verification process, because, security first, right? Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Kraken dashboard. Now, this dashboard might look a little overwhelming at first, with all those numbers and charts, but don't worry, we're not going to get lost in the noise. Look for the Funding tab. It's usually located in the top navigation bar. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the funding page. This is where the magic happens. On the funding page, you'll see two main options: deposit and withdraw. Obviously, since we're looking to receive crypto, we're going to select deposit. Now, here's where things get a little more specific. You'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies supported by Kraken. You'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Let's say, for example, you want to receive Bitcoin. Scroll down, find Bitcoin, and click on it. Once you've selected Bitcoin, Kraken will display a message explaining the deposit process. Read it carefully. It's important to understand the network requirements and any minimum deposit amounts. Now, look for the Generate New Address button. Click on it. And bam! There it is, your Bitcoin wallet address. It's usually a long string of alphanumeric characters. You'll also see a QR code. This QR code is simply a visual representation of your address, making it easier for others to scan and send you Bitcoin. Now, let's talk security for a moment. This address is your public key. You can share it with anyone who needs to send you crypto. However, never share your private key. That's like giving someone the combination to your safe. Keep it secret, keep it safe. You'll notice that each cryptocurrency has its own unique address. So, if you want to receive Ethereum, you'll need to select Ethereum from the list and generate a separate address. This is crucial. Sending the wrong cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. You wouldn't put diesel in a petrol car, right? Same principle. Let's say you want to find your Ethereum address. Go back to the Funding tab, select Deposit, then choose Ethereum. Generate a new address, and there you have it. It's a similar process for any cryptocurrency supported by Kraken. Now, some of you might be wondering, can I reuse the same address? While technically, you can reuse addresses, it's generally considered best practice to generate a new address for each transaction. This enhances your privacy and security. Think of it like using a new envelope for each letter you send. Another thing to remember is the network selection. Kraken sometimes gives you a choice of network when depositing certain assets. Make sure the network you choose matches the network the sender is using. If they send you crypto on the wrong network, it might not reach your wallet. This is like sending a letter to the wrong country. And finally, always double-check your address before sharing it. Even a single wrong character can lead to lost funds. Copy and paste is your friend. Don't try to type it out manually. It's too easy to make a mistake. So, to recap, log into your Kraken account, go to Funding, select Deposit, choose the cryptocurrency, generate a new address, and double-check everything. It's that simple. You've now unlocked the door to your digital gold vault. Now, you might be wondering about mobile. Kraken has a mobile app, and finding your wallet address on the app is just as straightforward. Log into your app, tap on the Funding icon, select Deposit, choose your cryptocurrency, and you'll find your address there. The interface might look slightly different, but the process is the same. And what about those advanced users, those who want to use APIs or automate their transactions? Kraken provides extensive API documentation that allows you to generate addresses programmatically. But that's a topic for another video. We've covered the basics, and we've touched on some advanced tips. But the most important thing is to practice. Get comfortable with the Kraken interface. Generate a few addresses, familiarize yourself with the process, and you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New features, new updates, and new security measures are constantly being implemented. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always prioritize security. And if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraken support team. They're there to help. Understanding your wallet address is a fundamental skill in the crypto world. It's like learning the alphabet before you can write a sentence. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. And now, you have that foundation. You've learned how to navigate the Kraken interface, how to generate addresses, and how to keep your funds safe. You're no longer standing at the door, confused and uncertain. You've unlocked the door and stepped into the world of digital assets with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.